Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use coupon codes on Temu. Alright, let's begin. Using coupon codes on Temu helps you save money by applying discounts to your purchases. First, browse the app and select a product you want to buy. Add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see different payment options. Choose your preferred payment method, such as Google Pay or PayPal. Next, scroll down to find the Apply Coupon Code section. Tap on it, and if you have any available coupon codes, they will appear here. Select a coupon and hit Apply. This will automatically adjust the total price based on the discount, cashback, or point system associated with the coupon. Once the discount is applied, review your order details and ensure everything is correct. Finally, click Submit Order to complete your purchase with the discounted price. So that's basically how you can use coupon codes on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!